We're going to take a look at the Galaxy Tab A7 10-inch 2020 Backlit keyboard, sky blue. So here's the tablet. I have a link in the description below. Like and subscribe if you please. Help me out a lot. If you haven't played this game, try it out. So yeah, let's see. This is the case I got it in. It's around 30 something dollars. Sides, nothing. Here is the smart keyboard case. Product info, package, battery 200 milliamp, standby time. Let's take a look at it. Unboxing. Looks like it comes with USB-C. And then the case smells like plastic. That is it. Seems a little thick. Look at that. Here's the tablet without anything. Open it up. Got the blue one because I had enough of black. Might as well try something else. It's a little light. There's a keyboard. Here's the home area. Here's a keyboard. And this is USB-C. Here's the thickness. Let's compare it to the tablet. It's about the same height as the tablet. Smaller than the tablet. So yeah. This keyboard. Bottom. Seems a little flimsy. But yeah, it's okay. See how it sticks. Oh, that's pretty tight. It's pretty magnet-y. See, it turns on. Oh, it turns on. Color. Let's have it off. Okay. So turn back on. Here's the sides. Light plastic. It's really thin. Let's see. Let's take this out. Take a look at this. So yeah, there's that one. There's a bottom. Wow, it's like really flimsy. There's the top, other speakers. There's a power button, volume, camera. Let's see how it stands. If you close it, it looks like you can put a pen in there. Yeah, let's try it out. Let's stick this in. Chew. So yeah, there it is standing. That's a little hard to push. Here's a keyboard. Use it on the side. Oh, it even sticks to that. I wonder where the magnet is. That sticks to it. So let's see. That sticks to it. That sticks to it. It's almost everywhere. But yeah. Let's see how to connect it. Whoosh. Whoosh. We're almost pretty hard to take off too. That's cool. Okay. On. Bluetooth. It's on. Connect. Paired. Let's see. And it is called, I don't even know what it's called. Is there a name on it? No, Bluetooth keyboard? There it is. I think. And it is connected. Let's see how it works. Change color. Oh. Hello, look at that. Let's see how it types. It looks like it's nice, decent size. Can I? Oh, shift. Nope. How do you control? It's fins over here. So control is like there, back. It's pretty decent. It's pretty cool that it's round too. And there's a color. Let's change the color. Let's do it off. There it is at night. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I wonder if you can change the brightness. So it's fin. Oops. So yeah, there it is. Works pretty well. Pretty light. There's white. Oh, let's close it up. Let's see how it closes up. So you have to like lift it out. And just close it in. This goes in here. Whoosh. That's hard to push. So it's like, where do you push it, place it? It goes like that. Doesn't shut off itself. And voila. And you sort of put a pen in there or up there. Depends on the size of the pen. So yeah, and then when you need it, boom, 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 boom. Lift it up, slide it down, place it down, slide it in. Calendar, voila. And escape works too. Cool. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys.